Faster, smarter, spending fast. Want to save thousands just by waiting? Hold off on big buys for 24 hours and watch your wallet thank you. Marketing emails flood your inbox daily. Unsubscribe and ditch impulse buys before they even start. Why pay full price? Use cashback tools like Honey or Rakuten and get paid to shop smarter. Name brands? Nah. Grab generic groceries and basics, same quality, less cash spent. Meal planning is a game changer. Base your dishes on weekly discounts and save big on groceries. Simple DIY hacks save more than you expect. Brew your own coffee, fix small repairs, groom at home. Subscriptions add up fast. Audit yours every 3 months and cut the dead weight. Why pay solo? Legally share Spotify or Netflix costs with friends and cut your bills in half. Delivery apps are tempting but pricey. Cook more at home and watch your budget and health improve. Take charge. Set spending limits per category and stick to them like a pro. Now that you've nailed smarter spending, it's time to lock in the habit with monthly reflections.